Hey guys, how to buy crypto on Kraken Pro app. So first of all, go ahead and click the portfolio value at the top or the portfolio at the bottom right, whatever. I'm gonna click the one at the top. And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and hit deposit. And you're gonna select the crypto. In our case, we use, let's say, Ethereum. So I'm gonna hit Ethereum. And then I'm gonna select the network. Please be aware, buying crypto by depositing means that you already have another wallet with crypto on it, right? With Ethereum or Bitcoin, and you're willing to use that depositing method in order to transfer from the wallet you already own, which you have couple Ethereums, whatever, and then transfer it to this wallet, right? So if that's the case, just go ahead and select the network and then hit I understand, and then copy the address and use that address to withdraw the funds from your other wallet to this wallet, right? Using that address. But if you don't have a crypto in another wallet and you want to buy with cash, you want to buy crypto with cash, you need to use the Kraken wallet app on your phone. So I'm gonna go back to my screen and use the Kraken app on my phone, right? So I'm gonna log in using my credentials, right? And basically on your screen, you're gonna see trade at the bottom right. Hit trade at the bottom right, and you're gonna see buy or sell with cash, right? So you're gonna use your own bank account in order to buy or sell crypto, right? With your own money. So I'm gonna hit buy right here and select the crypto, let's say Ethereum, and then select the amount, let's say $10, right? So I'm gonna select the payment method. You can see right here a MasterCard, or you can use Apple Pay in order to add funds to your wallet. And then hit continue, basically, right? And then hit confirm if you have $10 on your in your account. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.